Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Lucas Sohuma, a Maths Tutor at Rise Up for Better Education Tutors. Today, our topic will be exponential rules. Let me write it down. Exponential rules. We shall start with multiplication rule. Multiplication rule. What does the multiplication rule say? Multiplication rule says that when you multiply the same bases, you add the exponents. But now confusion comes to learners when they don't understand what is the base, what is the exponent, what is a coefficient. Let me give you a simple example. Let's say, for instance, we have 2x squared. When we have 2x squared, we know this one is coefficient. This one is called a base. This one is called an exponent. Let me use another color here so that you can see exactly what I have written here. I said this one is the coefficient. This one is the base. This one is an exponent. Okay. Now we have everything that we need. We have everything that we need to apply a multiplication rule. Multiplication rule says that when you multiply the same bases, you add the exponents. Let's say, for instance, we have 2x squared times 3x cubed. And then the rule says that when you multiply the same bases, you add the exponents. What are the bases? Ladies and gentlemen, when we talk about the base, in this case, we talk about the alphabet. Whenever you see the alphabet, you see the base. That means when you multiply these two alphabets, you just add the bases. You don't multiply the exponents, you add the exponents. Now, the first thing that you do, you multiply your coefficients. Coefficient is the number that comes before the alphabet. That means here coefficient is 2 times 3. That means it will be 6. X times x, these are the same bases. That means you add the exponents. Here I add my exponents. That means my final answer will be 6x to the power of 5. I hope, ladies and gentlemen, you understand this example. Let's do another simple example. Let's say this time around we are having 2x squared times x. Now, I said the first rule, you multiply your coefficients. But here a coefficient is not written. And now, when the coefficient is not written, we know that it is 1, but you don't write that one. That one is invisible. As the exponent as well is 1, because it is not written. That means we multiply 2 by that 1, which are coefficients, which is 2. And then x times x, when you multiply the same basis, the same alphabet, you add the exponent. That means it's 2 plus 1. The final answer will therefore be 2x to the power of 3. Let's do another example, which is a bit complex than this. Let's say this time around we are having 2x squared yz to the power of 3 times x y squared z. Let's say zm. The only thing that makes math seem difficult is when we don't understand the rules. But now we know that the rule says that as long as there is multiply in between, you add your base. When you multiply the same basis, you add your exponents, as long as you have the multiplication sign in between. That means we still apply that rule, that the first thing we multiply our coefficients. Coefficient here is 2, but here is not written. As I said in the previous example, if coefficient is not written, it is 1, but you don't need to write this one. If exponent is not written, it is 1, like here, it is 1, there it is 1, there it is 1, there it is 1. And then we multiply our coefficients, 2 times 1, which is 2, and then x times x. These are the same bases, same alphabet. You just add your exponents. That means it's going to be x 2 plus 1. And then y as well, you add, multiply this y by that y, you add the exponents. It will be 1 plus 2. And then z, these are the same bases, you add exponents. It's 3 plus 1, m to the power of 1, because that one is the only thing that we have. And then your final answer will be 2x to the power of 3, y to the power of 3, z to the power of 4, and then m. You don't write that one. There's no need for you to write that one. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you understand what I've just done. This is just the foundation of everything that we do here at Rise Up for Better Education Tutors. I hope you will watch more videos of our classes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.